Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ram Yoga Mahendra. You can call me Yoga. My name is 027. I'm from Seka 2, and today I want to discuss about three styles of debate. There are three styles of debate. There are Asian parliamentary debate, British parliamentary debate, and then Australian Asian debate. And the first time I want to discuss about Asian parliamentary debate. The themes of Asian debate. There are two opposing themes in an Asian format of debate. First, government side is propose and defends the motion, and then opposition side refute the negates the motion. Each side is composite of three members. The members of the government side are the following. There are Prime Minister or PM, that is they do opens to the debate, defends the motion and advance the arguments. Second, Deputy Prime Minister or DPM, they do refute what first stands the case of the opposition, reestablish the government claim and advance arguments government. And the third is government whip or GWY. They too makes an issue based rebuttal of the opposition's case and summarizes the case of the government. And then the member of the opposition side are the following. There are leader of the opposition or LO. They do respond directly to case of the government by giving a direct clash and advances arguments. May challenge the motion if the definition is challengeable. Second, deputy leader of the opposition or DPL. They do refutes the case of DPM, establishes the case of the opposition and advance an argument. Third, opposition sweep or OW. They too makes an issue based rebuttal of the government and summarizes the case of the opposition. And then the next debate style is British debate. British debates have two sides are called the government, or more commonly called proposition in the United Kingdom, and opposition. The speakers are similarly titled opening government, first faction, Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, opening opposition, or second faction, there are leader of the opposition, deputy leader of opposition, and then closing government or third faction are member of government whip, closing opposition, or the fourth faction are member of opposition and opposition whip. Although the two teams on the government and opposition bench are on the same side of the motion, they are judged and ranked independently and don't work together. A team competes against all three other teams in the round, including against its own opening or closing team, which isn't expected to help. Speaking alternates between the two sides, and the order of the debate is therefore Prime Minister, leader of the opposition, Deputy Prime Minister, deputy leader of the opposition, member of the government, member of opposition, government whip, and then opposition whip. And next, I want to discuss about Australian style debate. Australian debates consist of two teams who debate over an issue, more commonly called a topic proposition. The issue, by convention, is presented in the form an affirmative statement beginning with the, for example, the cats are better than dogs, or this house, for example, this house would establish a world government. The subject of the topic can vary from region to region. Each team comprises three members, each of whom is named according to their and speaking position within his or her team. For instance, the second speaker of the affirmative team to speak is called second affirmative speaker or second proposition speaker. Alternatively, the affirmative speakers may be referred to as Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, and the government whip, while the negative speaker may be referred to as opposition leader, deputy opposition leader, and opposition whip. However, these names are not commonly used. Each of the six speakers, three affirmative and three negative, speak in succession, beginning with the first affirmative speaker. The speaking order is therefore as follows: first affirmative, first negative, second affirmative, second negative, third affirmative, and finally third negative. The order of the delivering speech are Prime Minister, Leader of the Opposition, Deputy Prime Minister, Deputy Leader of the Opposition, Government, Opposition Whip, Opposition Reply, and then the Government Reply. I think that's all my explanation about the short style of debate. I'm sorry for all of my mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.